Meet the new mBot2.
Hello, I'm mBot2 from Makeblock Education.
mBot, the popular robot for computer science and STEAM education, has reached the next level in hands-on learning experiences. With its new networking capabilities, mBot2 can carry out interactive and smart activities with students. The key to its improved performance is CyberPi, the most advanced microcontroller from Makeblock Education, which brings the latest technologies into the class. Its built-in Wi-Fi module allows for wireless communication. For example, connect multiple mBot2s to create a local network, LAN, of robots that communicate between themselves, share and collect data, and perform tasks together. Or connect mBot2 to the internet.
Slow down.
To perform advanced features such as speech recognition or exchanging information with the cloud. mBot2 uses mBlock, the open-source coding experience that offers both block-based and text-based programming built on industry-leading platforms. Students can begin with block-based coding, and by incorporating a variety of mBlock extensions, educators can easily integrate data science, IoT, and AI into their classroom, preparing students for future careers. Students easily transition from block to Python programming in mBlock. There's no need for them to learn a new software interface. mBot2 uses mBuild modules, the next generation of smart sensors from Makeblock Education. Thanks to its new encoder motors, students can control the rotation, speed, and positions of mBot2 with greater precision, allowing for more realistic and accurate lessons than its predecessors. mBot2 comes with an integrated rechargeable battery, which eliminates the need to purchase separate batteries. mBot2 comes with a series of getting started activities that help educators and students successfully use the robot right out of the box. And more specialized courses will follow. mBot2, enabling educators and inspiring innovators.